For these banana oat treats that we're making in a skillet today, you make them the same way as you would if you were making them as bars. You're gonna wanna use your ripest bananas that you have, because as bananas ripen, they get more sugar in them, and so that's what's gonna make them really sweet. Just get your bananas early in the week and then wait and let them ripen up, and we're gonna use 5 ripe bananas. So then you just wanna mash the bananas as best you can, and I have found that the best way to do this is with a fork, but you can try it with a potato masher too. And of course, the more ripe they are, the easier to mash they will be. So now that we have our bananas well mashed, we're gonna pour in our oats, and then we're gonna pour in our peanut butter, and you wanna get about a cup of peanut butter in there. Give that a mix, just to kind of get it started. You add your baking powder, give that a stir in. Cinnamon, vanilla, chips. So I like to add raisins because raisins and oatmeal go really well together, but you could also add dried cranberries or dried dates chopped up really finely. Dates don't get as small typically, so it might have more large chunks in there. Or you could leave out the dried fruit altogether, but I like to add the raisins. All right, so now we're gonna just give this a stir and make sure everything is really well incorporated. And these, obviously, I was talking about before, can be made into bars as well, but I think as a pie, it's really, really good because it's very healthy, but kind of unexpected and goes really well with ice cream. I have a 12-inch skillet here, but you could also use a 10-inch skillet. They'll just obviously be thicker. But you take your 12-inch skillet, I cut out some parchment paper in a circle for the bottom, and it's been greased. And then the ingredients will just get pushed into there. So then you just want to spread it out as evenly as you can into the pan. And now it goes into a 350-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. Look at that. Let's make banana oat chip pie. Let's make banana chocolate chip oat pie. Let's make banana oat chocolate chip skillet pie. Okay. You didn't film it? You better hurry. Let's make banana chocolate chip pie.